Decoding TikTok, the meaning of POV.
Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. You might have seen the term POV used quite a bit on TikTok and wondered what it means. Well, today, we're going to explain exactly what POV stands for and how it's used in the world of TikTok.
What does POV stand for?
To start off, let's break down the acronym. POV stands for point of view. It's a term that's not only used in TikTok, but also in filmmaking, literature, and video gaming to indicate the perspective from which a story is being told.
How is POV used in TikTok?
In the context of TikTok, a POV video means that the creator is filming the video from a specific perspective or viewpoint, often implying that the viewer is a character or a part of the scenario. For example, you might see a video labeled POV, "You're the new student in a high school drama." In this video, the TikTok creator will likely be acting out a scene as if you, the viewer, are the new student experiencing the events of the video.
Why is POV popular on TikTok?
POV videos have become very popular on TikTok because they offer a unique way of storytelling that can be immersive, creative, and engaging. It allows creators to take their audience on a journey, letting them experience different situations, emotions, and stories right from their perspective. In addition, it also provides an opportunity for viewers to participate by reacting or responding to these scenarios in the comments, making the POV trend a highly interactive and entertaining format. So, in summary, POV stands for point of view and is used in TikTok videos to denote a specific perspective or scenario that the viewer is being drawn into. It's a creative and engaging trend that has captivated many users on the platform. Next time you see a POV video on TikTok, now you'll know exactly what it means. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video informative and helpful.